I'm trying to be as steady as I can with the camera. I don't have a tripod or a full-size camera. This is being recorded on my Samsung Galaxy S3. So I've cut open the box. So straight away we've got the tablet itself. It's very light. It's finished in a gloss plastic. It does have a brushed aluminium look, but it isn't aluminium. But I suppose that saves on weight, I guess. I've got the S Pen sticking out there in the corner. I'll leave the front and black plastic on just for the moment. See what else is in the box. Okay, there's the keyboard. So it's a very comfortable full-sized keyboard. Trackpad, nice size. It's not huge, but with a full-sized over 11-inch touch screen, you can just reach out and touch what you want. You don't need to really use the trackpad that much. So this is all plastic as well. It feels like the same material that the back of the tablet is made from. However, this hinge seems to be metal. So that's good to know that the device that's actually holding the tablet in is very, very solid. So you can hear the difference there. Plastic, metal. Okay, what have we actually got? So that there is that's the power, and we have a USB. Let's see if I can get that open. So full-sized USB, power. We've got 4 rubber feet on the bottom. Keyboard dock. What else does that say? Okay. On the front we've got, looks like caps lock. There we go, caps lock and power indicator. And we have another full-sized USB. They seem to like these little plastic covers on all the USBs. I suppose that keeps all the dust and other nasties out. I suppose that's a good idea. And that's it for the keyboard. So full touch trackpad. This I'm pretty sure is a full-sized laptop keyboard with chiclet style keys, just like the Macs, and they're chiclet island style, so there's gaps all in between the keys, which make it nice and comfortable for typing. I have a MacBook Air, and this keyboard looks almost identical, and which is a good thing. It's a really good keyboard. So that's the docking station. What else have we got? Okay, this must be the box of goodies. Alright, so we've got the power brick We've got the power cable. It goes into the power brick and then into the wall. What size have we got? So it's a nice small pin adapter. Actually, this whole adapter is quite small. Excellent for travelling. To all you foreigners, this is our New Zealand style plug. Exactly what I need to charge the device. And what have we got here? That there, that metal device there is used to pull the tip out of the S Pen, and we can see that we've got some replacement tips there. So that's a good idea. And then the standard box of goodies, all the manuals, keyboard dock user guide there, Samsung apps, and a quick start guide. So you can see here that the Samsung ATIV Smart PC is also called 500 T1C or 501 T1C, I suppose, depending on what country you're in. Okay, that was the bottom of the box. No more goodies. So that's an unboxing. I'll put up another link shortly to turning the computer on for the first time. Thanks.